Are you ready to take the next step in your career journey? Crafting a compelling resume is key to landing your dream job. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of writing a resume in English, covering essential vocabulary and phrases to help you stand out from the crowd. Let's start with the basics. Your resume should begin with your contact information, including your full name, phone number, email address, and physical address. This is optional. Full name, your first name followed by your last name. Phone number, your contact number where employers can reach you. Email address, your professional email address for correspondence. Physical address, your current residential address, optional. Next, include a professional summary that highlights your key skills, experiences, and career objectives in a concise manner. Professional summary, a brief overview of your career goals and qualifications. Key skills, highlight your relevant skills and abilities. Experiences, summarize your work history and achievements. Career objectives, outline your aspirations and what you aim to achieve in your career. Moving on to education and qualifications, list your academic achievements, degrees, certifications, and relevant training. Education, include your highest level of education and any degrees earned. Certifications, list any professional certifications or licenses you hold. Training, highlight any relevant workshops or courses you've completed. Now, let's dive into the most crucial section, work experience. Detail your previous employment history, emphasizing your responsibilities and accomplishments. Work experience, provide a chronological list of your past jobs. Responsibilities, outline your duties and tasks in each role. Accomplishments, highlight any achievements or successes in your positions. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to writing a resume in English. Remember to tailor your resume to each job application, showcasing your relevant skills and experiences. With these essential vocabulary and phrases, you'll be well equipped to impress potential employers and land that coveted job. Good luck.